Hey there, gearheads! Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about cars or just getting started with your automotive journey, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the essential names of automotive tools in English. Adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench. Box end wrench. Box end wrench. Combination wrench. Combination wrench. Open end wrench. Open end wrench. Offset wrench. Offset wrench. Pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. Torque wrench. Torque wrench. Allen wrench. Allen wrench. Ratcheting wrench. Ratcheting wrench. Crowfoot wrench. Crowfoot wrench. Socket set. Socket set. Deep socket. Deep socket. Spark plug socket. Spark plug socket. Ratchet. Ratchet. Breaker bar. Breaker bar. Torque stick. Torque stick. Pliers. Pliers. Needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers. Slip joint pliers. Slip joint pliers. Vise-Grip pliers. Vise-Grip pliers. Diagonal cutters. Diagonal cutters. Channel lock pliers. Channel lock pliers. Snap ring pliers. Snap ring pliers. Wire strippers. Wire strippers. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers. Impact driver. Impact driver. Hammer. Hammer. Mallet. Mallet. Punch set. Punch set. Chisel set. Chisel set. Utility knife. Utility knife. OBD2 scanner. OBD2 scanner. Multimeter. Multimeter. Vacuum gauge. Vacuum gauge. Compression tester. Compression tester. Fuel pressure tester. Fuel pressure tester. Timing light. Timing light. Code reader. Code reader. Engine analyzer. Engine analyzer. Oil filter wrench. Oil filter wrench. Spark plug gap tool. Spark plug gap tool. Feeler gauge. Feeler gauge. Caliper tool. Caliper tool. Brake bleeder kit. Brake bleeder kit. Brake spring tool. Brake spring tool. Brake spoon. Brake spoon. Hub puller. Hub puller. Steering wheel puller. Steering wheel puller. Ball joint separator. Ball joint separator. Tie rod puller. Tie rod puller. Strut compressor. Strut compressor. Axle nut socket. Axle nut socket. Hub socket. Hub socket. Gear puller. Gear puller. Harmonic balancer puller. Harmonic balancer puller. Radiator pressure tester. Radiator pressure tester. Coolant refractometer. Coolant refractometer. Fuel line disconnect tool. Fuel line disconnect tool. AC manifold gauge set. AC manifold gauge set. Valve spring compressor. Valve spring compressor. Cylinder hone. Cylinder hone. Piston ring compressor. Piston ring compressor. Engine hoist. Engine hoist. Engine stand. Engine stand. Transmission jack. Transmission jack. creeper, creeper, creeper seat, creeper seat, jack, jack, jack stands, jack stands, wheel chocks, wheel chocks, fender cover, fender cover, battery charger, battery charger, jump starter, jump starter, bench grinder, bench grinder, angle grinder, angle grinder, air compressor, air compressor, impact wrench, impact wrench, air ratchet, air ratchet, air hammer, air hammer, die grinder, die grinder, air hose, air hose, tire inflator, tire inflator, blow gun, blow gun, drill, drill, riveter, riveter, heat gun, heat gun, soldering iron, soldering iron, butane torch, butane torch, grease gun, grease gun, oil drain pan, oil drain pan, funnel, funnel, work light, work light, magnetic pickup tool, magnetic pickup tool, inspection mirror, inspection mirror, telescoping magnet, telescoping magnet, utility tray, utility tray, parts washer, parts washer, tool chest, tool chest, toolbox, toolbox, electrical tape, electrical tape, thread locker, thread locker, sealant, sealant, lubricants, lubricants, shop towels, shop towels, nitrile gloves, nitrile gloves, safety glasses, safety glasses, ear protection, ear protection. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap on our guide to automotive tools names in English. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident identifying and using these tools in your projects. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep those engines running smoothly.